Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon,
Good
Miss.
afternoon, Miss.
Yeah, welcome to today's class. So today is our fourth meeting, and we are going to learn about reservation. First of all, I would like to check your attendance, please. Let me check your attendance. Uh, Kata Trisna Wahini,
Present, Miss.
undiannya
Present, Miss.
Alfian Ludiana,
Present, Miss.
Uli Arta,
Present, Miss.
Utami Putri,
Present, Miss.
Heri Saryantini.
Present, Miss.
Yeah, seems like everyone is already on the meeting. So today is our fourth meeting, as I said before, and we are going to learn about reservation. Ada yang di sini sudah kerja sebagai reservation staff?
Belum.
Belum, tapi ada
Belum.
yang
Miss.
tertarik? Ada yang tertarik sebagai reservation staff?
Saya.
Oke,
Saya
Trista.
Saya, Miss.
Undi and Harry, ya. Okay. Let me share the screen. So I would like to share the screen and please pay attention to my explanation, especially about this material because this material will be one of the material that will be tested in final test and also simulation or assessment speaking test. Okay. Izin share screen. Gimana kabar kalian hari ini adik-adik? Baik ya?
Baik,
Baik,
Miss.
Miss.
How about you?
baik, Miss.
I'm fine, thank you for asking. Oke, apakah slide-nya sudah terlihat?
Sudah.
Sudah, Miss.
Ya, baik.
Sudah, Miss.
Sudah full screen ya?
Sudah, Miss.
Sudah,
Ya.
Miss.
Oke, so are you ready to learn today's material, guys?
Ready.
Ready,
Yes, I'm
Miss.
ready, Miss.
Thank you. Today will be our fourth meeting, and we are going to talk about reservation. So, this is what are the important things when you have to deal with reservation. Jadi, nanti harapannya kalian sebagai calon staff reservation DFO tahu nih apa aja yang hal-hal penting di reservation. So, there are four important things in making a reservation atau empat hal yang perlu kalian ketahui tentang reservation. The first one is checking the availability. So this one, the first one, checking availability is very important for you to do at the first thing. Jadi kalian harus cek dulu nih kamarnya available apa enggak sesuai sama request dari tamu. For example, you can ask about this kind of sentences atau utterances. How long will you be staying for? Atau kalian juga bisa bilang, what kind of room would you prefer? Jadi, seperti biasa pasti ya, kan baru datang, kalian bilang, welcome to Sheraton Hotel, how can I help you? Nanti tamunya pasti akan menjelaskan, entah dia mau reserve dulu atau dia sudah reserve kamar. Nah, kalau misalnya dia walk-in guest alias belum reserve, you have to ask these questions. How long will you be staying for? What kind of room would you prefer? Dan sejenisnya. And after that, you have to explaining about the facilities. For example, misalnya nih nama kamarnya suite room. The room has apa gitu. Silakan disebutkan aja sesuai sama kamarnya. Air conditioner, television. Kira-kira apalagi facilities yang ada di kamar hotel? Ada yang bisa bantu?
Bathtub mungkin, Miss.
Bathtub, ya. Selain selain hal tersebut apa? Fasilitas yang kalian dapetin nih kalau misalnya kalian nginep di kamar hotel. Kira-kira apa aja? Fasilitas atau amenities boleh disebutin.
Television, Miss.
Television, ya. So you can mention about the television, air conditioner, terus habis itu amenitiesnya juga bisa dimention ya. Kalau kalimat lain yang bisa kalian sebutkan juga, you can enjoy our facilities. The room has apa gitu. Silakan dimention aja ya. Tamunya juga pasti nanti akan bertanya, kira-kira kamar itu punya gini nggak, punya gitu nggak, wifi ataupun sejenisnya. So you just need to answer the guest questions. The third point is discussing terms and condition. Jadi biasanya di discussing terms and condition ini ngomongin harga, terus apa-apa aja yang mungkin didapat. For example, include breakfast apa enggak, include um, free apa gitu misalnya massas, restoran ataupun sejenisnya. Depends on the room ya, the kind of the rooms. For example, nama kamarnya presidential room. It charge 1 billion gitu mungkin 1 billion rupiah atau apa per night, including breakfast. And for the breakfast we have American style atau apa gitu. Silakan disebutkan aja sesuai sama breakfast yang ada di hotel. Kemarin kan kalian sudah presentasi tentang contoh-contoh breakfast dan sejenisnya, jadi bisa di-mention aja itu ya. And the last but not the least, for walk-in guests, we have to finish the booking. Jadi kalian bisa cek-cek di sistem, setelah dicek, misal tamunya mau kamar apa, dicek di sistem, tanggalnya cocok, jumlah tamunya cocok, silakan di confirm apakah itu bookingnya sudah masuk atau belum. And you also need to explain the details, like what the guest obtain atau get from the room, fasilitiesnya, terms and condition, and so on. Sampai sini paham dulu nggak?
Paham, Miss.
Paham,
Paham.
Miss.
Ya,
Paham,
oke,
Miss.
thank you so much. Now let's we take a look to the example of conversation. Um, Harapannya pasti kalian mungkin ada beberapa yang bingung nih. Gimana ya? Aku malu nih kalau misalnya harus conversation di reservation. Kira-kira percakapannya seperti apa kayak gitu. Saya sudah berikan contohnya di slides. Sudah saya upload di Adlink ya. Harapannya kalian sudah baca nih. Coba kita buka dulu linknya. Ya, so this one is the example of the conversation. Jadi ada conversationnya biasanya reservation bisa by phone ataupun langsung di resepsionis ya. Kalau di resepsionis berarti itu disebut walk-in,
Reservation.
walk-in
Reservation.
guest. Ya, walk-in reservation, walk-in guest bisa. Tapi kalau yang by phone ataupun by email sekarang udah canggih banget ya. Bahkan lewat em, agent juga bisa reserve hotel. Kalau contoh-contoh agent yang kalian ketahui untuk reserve hotel apa aja? Selain Agoda,
Travel agent, Miss.
sorry,
Travel agencies.
ya travel agency juga bisa lewat em, orang ketiga ya. Ada juga Agoda nih. Selain Agoda apa yang biasanya kalian booking? Lewat apa?
Traveloka, Miss.
Traveloka, ya. Thank you so much, Trista. Sama tadi Undi ya, kalau nggak salah. Ya. Selalu saya tekankan ya, setiap meeting saya selalu ambil bonus point. So for the one who being active in my class, you will get bonus point. Dan saya selalu catat itu ya. So you have to be active in my class. Oke, ini sudah terlihat conversation-nya?
Sudah, Miss.
Sudah. Ada yang mau coba baca nggak dua dua dialog ini? Dari dialog pertama sampai keempat aja. Ada yang mau coba baca?
Saya, Miss.
Rista and Alfian. Ya, silakan Rista and Alfian. Alfian jadi Mr. Abram ya.
Baik, Miss.
Ya, silakan.
Hey, good afternoon. This is Capital Hotels in Washington, D.C. How may I help you?
Hi, I'd like to schedule a reservation for this upcoming weekend from Friday night until Sunday.
Sure. Let me check and see what rooms are available. Do you need a room with one bed or two beds, sir?
My wife and I will be visiting the city, but a room with one bed will be just fine.
Oke, thank you so much Alfian and Trista. Coba selanjutnya bisa yang lain mungkin coba eh mungkin Undi dan siapa lagi? Coba Satria, ya silakan. Satria and Undi coba.
Okay, Satria, please. Oh, I will be the receptionist. All right. All right. It's look like we have several room available. Would you care for a room with a balcony?
A single room with no balcony will suit our needs just fine. I did notice on your website that you have a pool and also an exercise room. Are these facilities available for all hotel guests?
Yes. All hotel guests are allowed access to those facilities, and hotel stay also include breakfast. We have a restaurant on site that also serve lunch and dinner, but those meals are not included in your lodging fee.
Okay, that's fine. What time are both check-in and check-out? Satria, mic-mu ke-mute.
Oh, sorry. Check-in for you on Friday can be anytime after 3 p.m. Check-out will be on Sunday before noon.
Oke, thank you Satria and Undi. For the last one, can I have Uli and Harry atau Trista?
Can be me, Miss Harry.
Ya, silakan Harry and Uli bisa atau Trista?
Saya aja deh, Miss.
Ya, silakan Uli and Trista.
Eh.
Sorry, Harry dan Trista.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Harry,
I will.
Mr. Abram tuh ya.
Okay. Sounds great.
I'm glad that I could help you today. Is there anything else that you need at this point in time?
Would you like my credit card information now, or can I take care of that upon my arrival to the hotel's reception's desk?
We can handle payment upon your arrival on Friday. We look forward to seeing you then.
Thank you. I look forward to my stay.
Enjoy the rest of your week.
Thank you so much, Trista and Harry. Yeah, that's about the example of conversation and hotel reservation. Coba kita sedikit Q&A. Ini ada pertanyaan nih. Masih terlihat ya slide-nya ya. Questions
Miss.
number one. Ada yang bisa, what is the answer? Semakin cepat, semakin bagus bonus point. Trista,
B, Miss, Capital Hotels.
Capital Hotels. Let me check together. Yeah, correct. Thank you so much. Questions number two. Bonus point for Trista. Satria?
3 nights, Miss.
3 nights, let me check. Oh, that's okay. 2 nights ya. The answer is 2 nights. Saya tetap kasih bonus poin deh. Setengah tapi ya buat Satria ya. Terima kasih atas participationnya. Oke, itu dia contoh conversation in reservation. So, wait a minute. Yeah. Now let's we move to the slides again. Udah terlihat ya?
Udah, Miss.
Sudah,
Yeah.
Miss.
The last part in this meeting is how to write an email to book a hotel. Jadi basically kalian sebagai reservation staff itu cenderung terkadang lebih banyak handle email. Ada yang handle email, ada juga yang nyambi ya, jadi reception juga. Jadi tergantung nanti di hotel mana kalian bekerja, disesuaikan aja. Apa yang saya jelaskan hari ini tidak terbatas pada, for example, nanti kalian misalnya nih Harry kerja di reservation, tapi karena yang saya jelasin reservation itu cuman handle email sama reservation, kamu nggak mau nih handle check in atau check out sebagai reception, nggak boleh seperti itu ya. Jadi kita harus ikuti SOP di hotel. Gimana di hotel kita ikuti aja. Ini kan contoh aja ya, contoh idealnya seperti apa gitu. Balik lagi nanti ke sistem masing-masing di suatu hotel. Oke, let's we take a look to the example of booking email. Ya, ini this one is the example of email writing. Ya, an email to book a hotel. Kemarin saya sudah kirimin linknya ya. Pasti semuanya sudah baca dulu kan di rumah sebelum kita join Zoom meeting. Jadi, hal penting yang perlu saya highlight itu, of course you have to pay attention to the subject and also the sender ataupun receiver-nya. Nah, jangan sampai kalian salah kirim email ataupun subjeknya itu tidak jelas. So you always need to put the subject every time you write an email, oke? Jadi nanti isinya itu silakan disesuaikan sama apa request dari tamu. You just need to make sure kalau semua requestnya itu terpenuhi sehingga pada saat check-in ataupun proses menginap itu tidak ada problem seperti itu. Oke, ini contohnya. Sekarang kita balik ke materi. Ada pertanyaan untuk contoh emailnya?
Dari saya tidak, Miss.
Tidak
Tidak,
ada, Miss.
tidak ada. Oke, terima kasih. Nah, kalau tadi contoh bookingan dari tamu, yang ini contoh gimana kalian merespon. How to respond the guest apa namanya reservation. Jadi kalian harus penting nih di subjeknya, sekali lagi di subjek ya. Apakah kamarnya terbook atau tidak kayak gitu. Ini penting banget subjeknya. And you also need to put the details of the booking. Apa misalnya kamarnya berapa, untuk berapa orang dan sejenisnya seperti itu. Nah, sekarang kemarin saya sudah berikan tugas pre-test ya. Kemarin kalian sudah kirimin email kalian. Saya sudah kirimkan email ke masing-masing email tersebut. Anggap saya sebagai tamu nih, saya mau booking kamar dan kalian sebagai reservation staffnya. I would like you to give a response toward my email. Jadi harapannya setelah meeting ini 1 jam cukup ya untuk balas email ya.
Cukup sekali, Miss.
Cukup
Cukup,
ya.
Miss.
Setelah meeting ini saya mau kalian membalas email saya sesuai dengan contoh yang sudah tadi saya berikan. Oke, because it's already um, 3 o'clock, so we are going to move to the assignment. Jadi saya mau kalian kirimkan email dengan batasan maksimal 1 jam dari sekarang. Berarti tidak boleh lewat dari jam 4 ya. Gimana? Apakah sudah jelas tugasnya?
Jelas,
Jelas,
Miss.
Miss.
Oke. Do you have questions for today's meeting?
No.
No,
No
Miss. So
question?
far, so good.
No, Miss.
Oke, thank you so much for today's participation. Jangan lupa tugasnya saya tunggu sampai jam 4 ya. Untuk mahasiswa pertama yang membalas email saya, you will get 2 bonus point. Okay, so you can write the email as soon as possible. And if there is no question for today's class, that's all. Thank you so much. See you next week. Bye.
See you next week.
you,
Bye.
Miss.